One day, a man approached Gautam Buddha and expressed, "I constantly experience feelings of depression. I struggle to maintain a positive outlook and find myself consumed by negative thoughts. Progress seems out of reach, and failure appears to be my constant companion. It seems as though I possess a weak mindset. Could you guide me on how to cultivate mental strength?" In response, Gautam Buddha smiled warmly and replied, "Certainly, my friend. But before that, allow me to share a story with you. Once in a bygone era, a monarch tasked his learned advisors with crafting a ring bearing an inscription that could bring him solace during times of sorrow and melancholy during moments of joy. Following careful deliberation, the wise men bestowed upon him a ring engraved with the phrase, "This too shall pass." Puzzled, the king turned to Gautam Buddha and inquired about its significance. In response, Gautam Buddha elucidated that it symbolized the transient nature of existence, where happiness and sadness, triumphs and setbacks are fleeting phenomena that ebb and flow within life's ever-changing tapestry. If you wish to cultivate a resilient mindset, it's crucial to recognize that nothing is permanent, even your negative thoughts. The individual inquired, "How can I eliminate my negative thoughts?" Gautam Buddha advised, "You don't eliminate them. Instead, observe them. Just like clouds drifting across the sky, negative thoughts arise and fade away. Avoid clinging to them. Simply observe and they will dissipate." Perplexed, the individual asked, "But what if they linger? What if they persist?" Gautam Buddha responded, "In that case, practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment and focus on your breath. By concentrating on your breath, you divert attention from your thoughts. This is how you foster a strong mindset, by staying present and not getting entangled in your thoughts." Understanding dawned on the individual, who expressed gratitude towards Gautam Buddha for the guidance provided. Gautam Buddha reassured with a smile, saying, "Remember, my friend, this too shall pass." Encouraged by these words of wisdom, the individual left with newfound hope and determination to practice mindfulness diligently. He commenced a daily mindfulness practice, observing his thoughts without clinging to them. Gradually, he found himself gaining more mastery over his mind. Upon meeting Gautam Buddha again, he shared, "Mindfulness has been transformative for me, yet I still struggle with negative thoughts at times. What more can I do?" Gautam Buddha advised, "During overwhelming moments, redirect your attention to gratitude. Pause to acknowledge the blessings in your life. Additionally, engage in loving-kindness meditation by directing positive intentions and energy towards yourself and others. This will assist you in developing a more optimistic outlook." The gentleman nodded and expressed, "I appreciate it, Gautam Buddha. Your guidance has enabled me to foster a resilient mindset." Gautam Buddha grinned and remarked, "Always remember, my friend, life isn't about evading negative thoughts or encounters. It's about how you confront them with fortitude. You have the ability to tackle any obstacle with bravery and perseverance." The man departed feeling thankful and motivated. He continued to practice mindfulness and gratitude, and over time, he became a more positive and resilient person. Whenever he faced challenges or setbacks, he reminded himself of Gautam Buddha's words, "This too shall pass." As the man continued to apply Gautam Buddha's teachings, he noticed significant improvements in his mental and emotional state. He was able to approach his challenges with a more positive outlook, and he found himself achieving his goals more easily. One day, the man came back to Gautam Buddha to show his appreciation and seek further guidance. He expressed, "I am truly grateful for your teachings on cultivating a strong mindset. Thanks to you, I have been able to conquer my negative thoughts and develop greater resilience. However, I know there is still much more for me to learn and improve upon. What steps can I take next to keep progressing?" Smiling, Gautam Buddha replied, "You have already taken a significant first step by acknowledging the importance of growth and continuous learning. That awareness is key. To keep evolving, focus on practicing self-awareness. Observe your thoughts and actions, questioning the reasons behind your behaviors. By gaining a deeper understanding of yourself, you can pinpoint areas for enhancement and initiate positive transformations." The man nodded in agreement and expressed his gratitude to Gautam Buddha. He pledged to persist in practicing self-awareness and pursuing personal development. Gautam Buddha imparted, Remember, my friend, the path of personal growth is ongoing. With a resilient mindset and a thirst for knowledge, you can continue evolving and flourishing. Encouraged by these words, the man departed feeling motivated to advance on his journey of self-improvement. Despite knowing the challenges ahead, he trusted in Gautam Buddha's wisdom to guide him towards overcoming obstacles and realizing his utmost potential. A resilient mindset forms the bedrock of achievement. Trust in your own capabilities and strengths. Adversity unveils your authentic character. Challenges present opportunities for personal development. The only boundaries that exist are those self-imposed. A strong mindset is not bestowed, it is achieved through effort. Success is not definitive, failure is not terminal, it's the bravery to persevere that truly matters. Mistakes serve as lessons, not setbacks. Your mindset shapes your fate. Success is no coincidence, it's a state of mind. The primary barrier to success lies in a feeble mindset. A robust mindset holds the key to unlocking your complete potential. Alter your mindset, transform your life for the betterment. Obstacles are mere diversions, not dead ends. Fear should never hinder you from reaching success. A resilient mindset can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Mental fortitude is a decision, not an innate talent. The ultimate strength lies in maintaining a positive outlook. Your mentality acts as a shield against negativity. Remain optimistic, put in the effort, and bring your goals to fruition. Achieving success may not be simple, but it is definitely worthwhile. Keep your focus on your objectives, and success will come naturally. A resilient mindset has the power to transform setbacks into triumphs. Have faith in yourself, and you're already halfway towards achieving your goals. Mental strength enables you to recover from challenges with ease. Success is a continuous journey rather than a final destination. A strong mindset serves as the ultimate tool for conquering obstacles. The only barrier to reaching your full potential is your own mindset. Stay positive, stay resilient, and persist without giving up. The strength of your mindset determines whether you succeed or fail. Your mentality can either propel you towards success or hinder your progress. The most powerful defense against negativity is maintaining a positive mindset. Your mindset serves as the cornerstone of your success. Mental strength isn't just about perseverance, it's about never losing faith in yourself. Stay dedicated to your objectives, regardless of challenges. Success doesn't rely on chance, it stems from hard work and a resilient mindset. A robust mindset is crucial for realizing your aspirations. Trust in yourself, and others will also have faith in you. Keep optimistic, stay concentrated, and continue moving forward. A strong mindset forms the basis for resilience. Positive thinking attracts positive results. Your mindset marks the initial step towards achievement. Maintain positivity even when facing adversity. Obstacles present opportunities for personal growth and discovery. Mental toughness means persevering through tough times without giving up. Your mindset acts as the driving force behind your accomplishments. Remain steadfast, focused, and resolute. A strong mindset lays the groundwork for achieving greatness. Believe in yourself, and others will believe in you too. A robust mentality is key to unlocking your full potential.